What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
When do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work.
Do you walk to school?
No, I don't walk. I take school bus.
What time do you start school?
I start school at 9 a.m.
Where do you work?
I work at an office downtown.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job very much.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do after work?
I go for a walk after work.
Do you go to the gym after work?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
What do you cook for dinner?
I cook rice for dinner.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, I eat dinner with my family.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, I watch TV for an hour.
What shows do you watch?
I watch comedy shows.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read a book before bed.
What do you read?
I read mystery novels.
Do you use an alarm to wake up?
Yes, I use my phone alarm.
Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, I check the weather every morning.
Do you drink water during the day?
Yes, I drink water often.
Do you take your dog for a walk?
Yes, I take my dog for a walk in the evening.
Do you clean your house on the weekend?
Yes, I clean my house every Saturday.
Do you do the laundry at home?
Yes, I do my laundry at home.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping at the mall.
Do you go shopping on the weekend?
Yes, I go shopping on Sunday.
Do you play sports in your free time?
Yes, I play cricket on weekends.
Do you study in the evening?
Yes, I study English at night.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have breakfast with your family?
Yes, we have breakfast together.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal, but sometimes I treat myself to pancakes.
Do you drive to work?
No, I prefer walking to enjoy the fresh air.
Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, I check it so I'll know whether to take an umbrella.
Do you call your friends after work?
Yes, I like catching up with them in the evenings.
Do you brush your teeth right after waking up?
Yes, I always brush my teeth first thing in the morning.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a jog around the park.
Do you read the news every morning?
Yes, I read the news to stay updated.
Do you talk to your neighbors in the morning?
Yes, I greet them when I see them.
Do you take a long time to get ready?
No, I get ready in about 15 minutes.
Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, I always make my bed after waking up.
Do you water your plants in the morning?
Yes, I water them before I leave for work.
Do you clean up after breakfast?
Yes, I wash the dishes right after eating.
Do you feed your pets in the morning?
Yes, I feed my cat before I leave the house.
Do you lock the door when you leave?
Yes, I double-check the lock every time.
Do you eat snacks during the day?
Yes, I have fruit or nuts as snacks.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, I need my coffee to stay focused.
Do you have meetings every day?
Yes, I have meetings almost every day.
Do you enjoy your lunch break?
Yes, it's my favorite part of the day.
Do you drink water during work?
Yes, I keep a water bottle with me.
Do you get tired in the afternoon?
Yes, I feel a bit sleepy after lunch.
Do you finish your work on time?
Yes, I try to finish all my tasks before leaving.
Do you walk home after work?
No, I usually take the bus home.
Do you relax as soon as you get home?
Yes, I sit down with a cup of tea.
Do you do any chores in the evening?
Yes, I do a bit of cleaning or laundry.
Do you take a shower before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax before sleeping.
Do you plan your next day before bed?
Yes, I write down my tasks for the next day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.